Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing out these products from Griot's Garage. It's pretty much a glass ceiling. It says here it's about 15 bucks where I got it, but you know, where you go get it, it's gonna be $1 more or $1 less. We are also testing out this glass water repellent from Rain-X. This side's gonna be the Rain-X. This side's gonna be the Griot's part. I'm noticing already that this one is pretty much drying off. It's pretty much drying out. It's not even lasted like the Griot's one, the expensive one. But hopefully the result speaks for himself. Oh man, this looks for $10 more, you guys will get something quality. But you know, I don't want to sell the Rain-X short. We're gonna finish applying it. Pretty much the Rain-X side, once it hazes, you buff it off. The Griot side, pretty much when it hazes, it says to apply another coat, then you buff it off. So hopefully in 2 weeks, we can see the results. This is the second coat, it's starting to haze up. And the other one, the Rain-X side, once it haze up, we're just gonna buff it off, you know, finding directions. Now I'm gonna buff it off. And that thing comes out easy. Look at that. I didn't leave it no more than one, you know, the longer it needs to be. Just right on time. Look at it, perfect. When you do things right and follow directions, you know, don't do it, you know, outside 100 degrees. Do it right. And it's done, you guys. That's simple. Alright, this side I use for the other side. I'm gonna turn this towel around. I'm getting new brand new stuff. Alright, so pretty much done with this side. I'm gonna remove the tape. This, you know, there you go. The tape. Oh man, there's a difference. I don't know, you guys can see that. So what I'm gonna do, let me see if I can buff off. That line's off. There you go. And we're gonna do a water test. I'm gonna be using a turbo tip and let's see how it goes. This side? Yeah, that's a really nice bleeding. Alright. Let's check out this side. Let me wet it all together now. It's really hard to tell which product won. Both of them bleeds down. You know, water repellent, both of them is really great. The more water repellent is on this side. This little section right here has the most water repellent than the whole car, but you know, this side also. But yet again, we're gonna tell you in 2 weeks, because I'm gonna be taking a long drive. I won't be here in Cali for really long, and I'll tell you which product lasts the more. And stay tuned. We're inside my car, obviously, so I'm gonna do the washing fluid. 1, 2, 3. So they both do repellent, but let's see which one lasts the longest. We're gonna do it in 2 weeks. We're gonna do another water test, and they both last, you know, with those 2 weeks, we're gonna wait another month. Cause you know, especially these hard times, you don't wanna lose every dollar. You know, if it works or it doesn't. So stay tuned. Pretty much these are the results. Look like the Griot one. It's way better than the Rain-X. Well, the product speaks for itself. If you like the video, give it a like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And thanks for watching.